Alright guys, this one's for the viewers because it's cold as shit outside.
Oh shit, I broke that board. It's stuck, bro. Dude, it's really stuck.
Fuck. I took the whole board with me. Here it is.
You took the board with you.
With that 5-foot gear shift you got. To hit first gear, you have to get a seat. To hit second, you have to cross the back seat. And same way, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse, you have to get the passenger.
Alright, so now that we got the car in here, finally, we're going to paint the dash and we're going to make it look like it's sheet metal. Or we're going to try anyways. So what we've done is I've just shoved some cardboard in there and I'm going to spray, or well, very lightly spray some silver spray paint over it. And then I'm going to take some black paint and a paintbrush and then draw some lines down it and some dots and make it look like rivets and separate pieces of sheet metal, but we'll see how it goes. So now I'm going to take some flat black and just spray it into this cap and then use my paintbrush and draw lines kind of as if sheet metal was riveted together.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger.
already waiting on those keyboard warriors. Oh my gosh, you ruined your dash. Why would you do that? Well, the car was $200. Like, if the dash, like, it was already cracked also. So if it doesn't look good, like, guys, I'll just paint it back to black. It's not that big of a deal, but I think it looks badass personally. I think it turned out really cool. And it only took me like 20 minutes to do this. Really easy to do. Now if I can get this car turned around, I'm going to turn it around and back the rear end in here and try to do something with that ugly rear piece. Alright, so I really hate the way that this big old flappy piece looks. And I think it might give it a cleaner and better look if I was to just cut here. Maybe like a racing look. If I do it really clean and cut along these edges. And then the bash bar is going to show a little bit. Or not the bash bar, but the crash bar is going to show a little bit. Which would be perfect for me to mount a custom chassis mount wing. So stay tuned for that. That's probably going to happen. I'll have to make my own brackets. And then this wing here is definitely going to go. I might do that tonight, I might not, I don't know. I absolutely hate blacked out taillights, so that's going. And man, whoever put this tint on did terrible. So wherever you are, don't be tinting cars anymore. It looks like shit. And those badges are definitely coming off because it looks way better without those. Here we go.
When I let you go, ooh, I just pulled you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. place I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours, stone cold inside. Banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people.
Look at that, much cleaner. Now, just wait till this thing has a big, huge chassis mount wing and some tail lights that you can actually see. That third tail light there, I might delete it, as in weld a plate in its place and get rid of it. Blend it in before I actually paint the car. We'll see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, follow this awesome build. Let me know in the comment section if you do anything very ghetto like this and on what kind of car. I need some more ideas for this car. So definitely let me know what you guys think. No, this is not ruined. It's just a $200 car and I'm going to have fun with it. Make sure to like it, subscribe, share with your friends. See you all next video.